Hello everyone, welcome to follow Huazhen Fastener Co. Limited. My name is Julia. Today I will introduce to you a special drywall screws. The head supports customization. The heads of drywall screws are usually bugle heads, but such countersunk head can also be made according to customer requirements, and anti-slip ribs are also added here. The slot supports customization. The slot for drywall screws is generally Phillips number 2 slot, and we can also customize a square slot or a composite slot that combines Phillips and a square slot. Thread supports customization. Whether the thread of drywall screw are high or low thread or serrated thread, we can customize them according to your requirements. For more product content, please pay attention to the next video. Bye.